Rosie, and thanks for purchasing the code. And I'm here to assist you regarding the software, how a new business can be registered on the software. So there is a two ways. Number one way is you give this link to your customer and ask him to register a new business. The other method is you open your super admin account and you log in into the account, and then you go to the super admin section and then check all of your packages. Right now we check what are what are our present packages. So this is the packages details, so no package is present. So what you do, you have to first create your package, a business package for your customer. And I log in into your account and super admin and then packages. Okay, for example, I created a one package that is applied on your super admin, and this package is not for other customer. This package is for super admin, so it is a private package. I created it. You can further enhance it for this package. So let me create another package for my customer. I click on add product. I add my package name like basic package for single shop, like this, and package description for single shop, like this. So 0 means you are allowing this in this package to customers unlimited business location. If I type 1, it's mean you are allowing only for one business location. The customer cannot add his more locations in this package. So I offer it 1 here, and unlimited users, unlimited products he can add. You can type like 300. In this package a customer can only add 300 products, not more than 300 products. If I put 0, it's mean in this package a customer allowing maximum unlimited products. And number of invoices, 0 means infinity, like this. You can check here. Okay, infinity. So package intervals, for example, this package belongs to 1 year. For example, 1 year package and trial day 1. And for example, this package is 200 Saudi Riyal. Okay, and this is not a super admin package, and in this package I am not allowing essential for example, I am only allowing essential module in this package. Okay, I am not allowing manufacturing, I am not allowing WooCommerce and other module. Okay, the package is active, and this button is means this package apply only one time. And this package, if you click on private super admin, it's the package is private, not the customer cannot see this package. You can also apply your domain purchase link here. Okay, and for example, I create a package. Now our package is created. You can edit the package and update it. Okay, so I create a new business. For example, you said me last time the coffee shop or a restaurant shop. For example, I create a business coffee shop, and I'm your customer. I'm your new customer from Pakistan, and you add me, and my business name is coffee shop, and start business date is this, and currency is PKR or any your currency. Okay, any your customer currency. I add any logo. For example, I add this, and business this contact number of customer, and any alternate number, country Pakistan, state, city, zip, landmark, time zone. My time zone is Karachi, and Mr. Atif Mahmood, and my username is Atif, and my email is atifyoshi@gmail.com. and password is, I add this password 123456 123456. Okay, so I am applying a package, basic package in this uh, uh, in this business, and I am taking offline payment, and transaction is this. For example, what are the transaction number? You submit. Okay, when you submit this package, added a new business, coffee shop, added, email is this, phone number is this, and address is this, and basic package applied for 1 year. Okay, you can manage package and deactivate package, delete the business. Okay, so when I check my email should become drafts. If email is not coming, I will check it. Okay, so I log out this and and add with my username. Like my username is Atif and password is 123456. A coffee shop is added. Okay, a new business is added. So if I want to change my language, I go to this section. Oh, logout. Atif 123456. Enter. I want to change my language. English. Go down. I also want to change. I can also change my password. Okay. So the now the new settings is, I check. Okay, register is open and my package is activated. This, and then you go down to the business settings. Okay. Now you apply the business settings for coffee shop, for date and nothing here. And this means, for example, look at this, 0 open. There is only 3 columns. If you enable this, it will be 4 columns here. You can edit your price here. Okay. So I disable this. If you need it, you can. Okay. I do further settings. My default unit is PCs and contact sale is POS. Okay, I can also enable my invoice layout if I want to change my invoice layout, and the many more functions are here. Purchases, dashboard system. I can change my color. I can also do email settings. And I can also use my own email, or I can use system email configuration. Okay, and SMS, reward point, modules, add purchase, and table, because in my coffee shop I have a table management. And I also, if I need a kitchen, then I enable this. I want booking, I enable this. And custom payment, for example, any custom payment in Saudi Arabia, like tap payment, any name. Okay, I update my settings. And one more update, customer, and this one, and sale item addition method. For example, if you are adding an item, you want to add same item in a new row, or same item if already exists. I am currently typing this. If you need this, you can add this. Okay, a new item in 2 rows. I update the settings. Now the next setting is, for example, look at this. When I click on business location and add location, it will not allowing me because in this package only one location applied. And for invoice setting, you can go here, invoice layout, click on the invoice. You can change your invoice setting. Okay, I can change my invoice setting. I can show my logo, upload my logo, show logo, and my business address here, and other more settings are here which are enabled, disabled. You can type here like software by sptech.org, etc. Okay, you go. Then I do the text settings that you asked me this question. So settings, I add my text, and my text name is VAT 5%, 5%. Okay, and my rate is 5, and I save this. Now I add my product. Add product. The speed is very fast on the site ground. I add my product. My product name is test product, and here I type my barcode number. If I don't type, it will auto generate. Okay, category, I did not created category. Many stock and alert is my 5. I add my picture. For example, I add product picture. This is my product picture, and my tax is applying VAT 5%, and my purchase price is, for example, 50, and my selling price inclusive tax is 100. Okay, if I exclusive, it's mean this amount is excluding tax, and inclusive, this amount is inclusive tax, and the VAT is applied. Okay, when I click save my save and add opening stock, I will add my stock like I have stock of 20 pieces. Save. Now a product is added successfully. When I refresh this, a product is added. Okay, there is no any table. I can add more tables here, like when I enable my table, this is tables. You can create your tables here. Okay, now look at this. The text is not showing in order text. I told you order text means one text apply on all products. One text applied on all products. So what you do? Business settings, text, sale, default tax is 5%. My all products have 5%. Okay, if my tax is changes, tax changes to different items or different taxes, yet then you do not apply this and apply inline tax. Okay, if you don't, if you have single tax on all products, then you apply default VAT 5% on all products. Okay, you update this. Now I check office shop updated, refresh, reload. Now I check. Look at this. 95 is 95.24 is my amount excluding tax, and this is my tax, and this is my total amount. When I click, this is a shortcut keys. This is a shortcut keys, Shift E. When you press Shift E, it will bill automatically. Okay, a bill is like this. If you want to change your invoice template, you can change from here, invoice setting, invoice layout, edit, then change your invoice templates. Okay, if I apply this, then the invoice changes. Okay, currently I am applying only classic, and update. I go here. Now look at this. The amount is showing excluding tax, then tax, and it is total. And if I want to change the tax settings, for example, I want to show my tax, my amounts including tax here, then what you do? Business settings, sale none and go to tax, inline tax. Okay, then you update. Now I check my invoice again and create a new bill. Look at this, 100. I can change my amount. Okay, like 110 I am selling. So currently I am only apply 100 and create bill. Now what is showing? Subtotal is 100, unit price is 95 excluding tax, and tax is not showing here. Okay, so what you do, tax, apply tax and update, then you check again, refresh. Now look at this, 100 and the order tax is 5. Okay, I means in this amount this tax is included. Okay, when I click cash, now it comes something like this. Okay, this tax apply on after the amount, after the amount. So the good settings are, if one tax applied and disable this. Now the good settings are this. I refresh, I click, now everything is fine. Okay, I hope I answered your question. And there is also other things. You can hold your invoice. For example, I create this bill, I add 2 items and I hold my invoice. You can type your whole name like 123, hold your invoice, and a customer said you that add more coffee in my invoice, means he again order you one more invoice. Then what you do, you would click here and you will edit your invoice and add more item and then again hold. Okay, again holding, 2 invoices are tax increased, and then the customer saying you that please final my bill. Then you again go to here and edit invoice and bill here, like cash button or shift E, it would print. Okay, now this is the things. And if any more technical question you need to ask me, you can ask me for many questions. You can import bulk products, you can import your contacts, and you can add your product variation, price, selling groups, and I can add my expenses. These are the reporting. For example, stock report, I want to check my stock report. And I have a total, I have test product, amount is this, current stock is this, I sold 7 units. Okay, so this is the amount according to purchase price, and this is the amount according to sale price, and this is the potential profit. If I sell all the items, the profit should be this. Okay, so these are the things. If you have more questions, you can ask me. Thank you.